Welcome to this video presentation here at Wimbledon Carriage Company, and here we have the Volvo XC90 on a 72 plate. I'm going to start off firstly by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. From the outside you can see it's a 5-door car with alloy wheels and tinted windows. We're going to start off inside of the boot space. First of all, the tailgate on this car will open electronically. You can either do that from the tailgate or from the key. As we approach the back of the car, you'll then see we have reversing sensors. It's a 7-seat vehicle, of course, so all 7 seats are currently in place. So here we have the amount of boot space you'll have as a 7-seater. It's very easy to fold these seats down, though, of course. Just lift this, the headrest will drop into place, and you can fold that seat down, and you'll get a good idea of what it'll be like as a 5-seater in terms of boot space. You can also fold down those 3 remaining seats should you wish to. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back around to the front of the car. And as I mentioned, we'll then hop in and run through some controls on the inside of it from there. Now that we've done a full circle of it, the first thing you'll notice is the alloy wheels are all in pristine condition, as is the bodywork the entire way around the car. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left-hand side, we have the speedometer. We have a digital readout for the speedometer. On the right-hand side, the rev counter. It'll also show you what gear this car is in. It's an automatic. We, of course, are in park currently. In the middle, you can see the sat-nav information. You can turn that off if you wish to. You can also access your trip computer, where you can see the total miles of this car. They are 36,869. If we back out to the steering wheel, we have those buttons I was just using over here, stereo controls as well, and voice activation for your phone. And on the left-hand side, we have the cruise control. In the center, you can see the main touchscreen. So nice big screen, one physical button, which will always take you back to this main menu. Different tabs you can enter. You can also swipe right and left within each of those tabs to access things like your Spotify, as you can see just there, your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Or you can tap on them to open the main element of that menu. For example, in this case, satellite navigation, pairing your phone, accessing your audio, and then we have a car status menu. Along the bottom here, you can open up your climate control menu. So you have different fan speeds, of course. You can determine where you'd like the air distributed once it enters the car. The air conditioning is on currently, so that turns it off. Back on again, you can recirculate the air that's in the car. You can also hit auto and the car will take control of everything for you. You can adjust your passenger temperature, your driver temperature. And then down the bottom here we have, for the passenger, a heated seat with 3 different heat settings. For the driver, the seat and a heated steering wheel, both of which have 3 separate heat settings on each. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, a full color reversing camera with guidelines that show you what direction the car is headed in relation to the image being shown on the screen, and you can back out of that whenever you wish to. We have physical controls for your volume and stereo here. We have a 12-volt charging socket. You can close this section over. We have wireless phone charging, 2 cup holders, an electronic handbrake with an auto hold function, the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox, and then this is how you switch the car off, which is what I've just done, and back on again. You just need to make sure the key is in the vehicle with you. The last thing I wanted to mention is the paperwork we have for the car. So in the envelope here is the spare key. So of course, 2 keys in total. The V5 registration document showing it's a one-owner car from you. And then the service book for the vehicle with the pre-delivery inspection. And then the first and second services in 2023. And at the end of 2024, both done at Volvo main dealers. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, or you'd like a live bespoke video tour, please feel free to give us a call here at Wimbledon Carriage Company. We'd love to hear from you.